flow. These are the things that we are to use in our experiment. Bowl, water, vinegar, sack, banana, biscuit, fork, scissors, and ziplock. These are the procedures are going to do. First, peel the banana and scramble the biscuit in the bowl. Pour a little bit of water and smash. And pour the mixture on the ziplock. And then add vinegar in the mixture. And lock. Carefully squeeze. Open your sack and pour a mixture on your sack. Open your sack and pour your mixture. Carefully squeeze and make a hole. Cut a small hole in the end of your tights and squeeze the food through it.